600 people who RSVP'd for this event. Thank you all for being a part of it. We have 26,000 people who voted for Name the Train campaign. This is Colorado's train. So thank you for voting for Colorado Connector, Colorado. I think you guys all know the story. This is a uniquely Colorado approach to delivering rail service. We've been partnering with the freight railroads. We're going to be leasing track from Union Pacific, from BNSF, from RTD, which means that we do not need to be laying new track. We don't need greenfield or brownfield development, which means a quicker service delivery, which means a more efficient delivery for rail. It means that we are being unique in Colorado in how we're delivering rail, and more affordably and in partnership with the freight railroads. So this is our path to delivery and why we're going to do it better than it's ever been done before, and why it's a uniquely Colorado approach. Colorado, or CoCo, is more than just a name. It's by Coloradans, for Coloradans, voted on by you, the citizens of Colorado, and the residents of the Front Range. CoCo is simple, it's memorable, and it tells a story about connecting our communities, which is so important for connecting people from Fort Collins to Denver, and from Pueblo to Colorado Springs, and up and down the Front Range. CoCo, and we're so excited today to launch our brand, CoCo, Colorado Connector, the look, style, feel. It's optimistic, it's friendly, it's retro, it's attractive, it's bright, it provides curiosity, it's approachable, and it's dependable. And I love the personality. It's adventurous, and it underscores the energy of Colorado with the fox. The fox is native fox of Colorado. And we're going to outfox I-25, and it's going to be an easier ride up and down the Front Range. We're going to get off of the highway, and it's going to be more comfortable. It's going to be easier, more affordable than driving, more reliable. On the way up here today from Pueblo, I hit a wreck and shut down I-25. There are cars literally driving on the grass on the median to get off of the interstate. That happens all the time when you're driving up and down the Front Range. And CoCo is going to allow us to outbox I-25. So I just want to wrap up by thanking Burdekin English and Rebellion. They're the branding team that put together the wonderful brand. As you walk around, you can learn more about the brand. And before I pass it over to my board chair to introduce our board and say a few more things, I just want to say, folks, is Colorado Rail ready?